Hello guys, you're welcome to Coinspace with Austin. We all could notice that Bitcoin has had a major crash yesterday, and which has actually prompted most altcoins to actually crash down. But the good part is Bitcoin is trying to hold at a particular position. There has been a lot of resistance from Bitcoin, but we didn't see that kind of resistance with the altcoin. You can see that the market trend is not so very great. And then on the Mark D on this position, we can see that the market is actually below the zero line and it's in the sell off position. Let me pull up the Mark D so you could see it very well. Now you can see the you can see it is at the minus 86 position, which means the market is greatly being sold right now, even though you could see on the chart that the market is trying to recover, but that is not what we're seeing with our indicators right now. Well, let me go back to the chart so we could actually look at the Bollinger Band and see what is happening with the Bollinger Band. Now, you can see that yesterday the market was greatly oversold at this position, but eventually it kept pushing up, which means there are a lot of people who are willing to buy because the position the market is right now is a very important position which can determine its growth or its downfall. But right now, I don't think Bitcoin is ready to crash more than it already did because if you notice, it's holding down. Bitcoin is actually holding down at this particular position, the 25,000 position. It hasn't crashed down less than 25,000 in the past couple since this month and last month. It hasn't since this month, yes, this month, yeah, it hasn't done that. So it's trying to hold at the 25k level and it hasn't dropped. Now you can check other altcoins dropped a whole lot more than what Bitcoin dropped here. But the confidence of Bitcoin is what affected them. When Bitcoin started dropping, they all started crashing. But right now, Bitcoin is showing some muscle, it's showing some strength, but I don't think it's a very good strength because if you look at the optimized tracking trend here, you can see that it is still in the selling position. And this is basically what is bringing down the confidence level of investors at the particular moment. Because if we look at the fear and the greed index, you can see that the fear and the greed index has gone below 50. It should be around 40 something now. You see, it's around 47 right now, which still goes a long way to tell you how the investors are actually thinking at the moment right now. But here, the trend of the market is still not strong. It's trying to grow though, although it's way past 20, which means anything can happen. But if we see a move, if we witness a move above 26,000, which is 26k, we can see it go way to 26,500. 26,500 right up to this position. Yes, which is very much possible. But if we don't see that much wave moving the market above 26k, the market is definitely going to remain in this position. Although there are some postulations, since the market is going down, that the trend is going to push way down to about 24,000, but I actually don't think so because Bitcoin is trying to hold strongly at this 25k position. That is why you've seen other altcoins crash, but Bitcoin only waved but did not move too big in the selling position. So this is basically how the market has been so far. But I think Bitcoin is still going to come up a little bit, but it's still going to go way down some more around 25k to 25k for 25,400. Yeah, go down a bit more than before coming up, but this here is actually the market gathering strength. If you like this content, please smash the like and the subscribe button and do turn on your post notification. I am Austin and this is Coinspace.